Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to my presentation on DocAge Guardian, an image-based age verification tool developed as a part of Code in Place 2023. My name is Fariz Anjum, and today I will be showcasing this exciting Python project. About me. So, I'm a student programmer, author, and a graphic designer. I am currently in last year of high school, and I have interest in AI, ML, and quantum computing. I'm a student of Code in Place offered by Stanford University. To install DocAge Guardian in your computer system, you must have to install Python program. The version should be 3.0 or greater. Once you have downloaded, you have to download all the dependencies, which I have given in the GitHub repository. If you have any problem, then please check installation guide txt file given in the GitHub repository. Now let's see DocAge Guardian in action. In this live demonstration, I will run the program and show you how it extracts text from an image, identify the date of birth. Okay, so firstly, you can check these test IDs. Yeah, you can see the date of birth is 2006. So the program output should be access denied. User is under 18. So let's check it. So now let's run the code and see the output.
Hello. Welcome to DocAge Guardian.
As you can see, the dialog box appear. So now I have to choose the file. So when I click on the open file, then these all are the IDs. So we are going to check case 2. Yes, and we enter open option.
Hey, access denied.
Yeah, as you can see, it says access denied. User is under 18. The program, as you can see, the program provides visual feedbacks by displaying the extracted text, date of birth, and each verification result in the console. Yeah, it's also generate feedback through text to speech synthesis. We can also test the case 1 in which the output is supposed to be access granted. So let's check it.
Hey, access granted.
Yeah, you can see it says access granted. Now let's talk about DocAge Guardian features. It supports various image formats like JPEG, JPG, and PNG. It also have a wonderful GUI which provide a great experience to the user. It's also convert verification message to speech using GTTS, which is useful for many disabled people. It also extract text from image file using OCR. DocAge Guardian has numerous real-world applications, like it can be used in document processing for extraction and processing of information from document. It can also use in security systems to enhance access control system, fraud detection, and data entry automation. It can also be used for age verification. For example, age restricted content verification at event, etc., and etc. There is a quote from George Couros: "Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hand of great teachers can be transformational." It's a very nice, thought-provoking quote by George Couros. I hope you found this project interesting and insightful. Feel free to explore the code, experiment with it, and adapt it to your own project. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know. Happy coding! Thank you for joining me in this. Special thanks to Chris Peach, Maran Shahami, Rakshama, Shubham Kumar, Shukumar Maurya, Ultimate Shindu, my family, and all the Code in Place team. Thank you. Bye bye.